Okay, we are assembling an 8" by 8", 26-foot superior alder beam. This is typical what we do. It's 8 by 8, so it's got a 4" ingrain seam on all 3 sides. Sup alder about as long as we can get is 10-foot material, so you're going to have butt joints that look like this, approximately every 7 to maybe 10 feet. This still has to get sanded and patched, but you can see the superior alder does have some knots. There's another beam over there. You can see one there. There's a knot down there on the end too. Color differential is not severe, especially if you're going to stain it. Any dark color, it's going to really blend together pretty well. You do have knots in sup alder though. Another butt joint here. If you clear coat this, it's going to highlight that. Still have yet to put the gussets in. It's pretty typical of what our superior alder beams are going to look like. Usually we do them, depending on the beam, somewhere in between 2 and 4 feet, usually more like 2 or 3 feet. This beam's short enough, it's less than 10, so we do not have a butt joint on this beam. So this is part of the same job, but these are 7 by 7. Assuming they're going to be rafters going along with that 26-foot ridge beam over there. But this is going to show you what knot structure and the ingrain seams that we do. So it's about 3.5, all the seams there. This one actually has a what we call an end cap. Same thing, it's just the flat grain folded down, still has yet to be patched and sanded. That looks pretty good.